Why do most of the failed skincare launches happen after stability testing? Because sometimes, even AI can't spot what an expert's eye can. Let's look at a real-world fix that saved a major brand. A leading skincare brand rolled out an AI-driven formulation tool to create their latest anti-aging retinol cream. The AI optimized the emulsion, predicted the viscosity, and everything looked flawless on paper. But 6 weeks into real stability testing, something went wrong. Viscosity plummeted, down by more than 60%. So what did the AI miss? It overlooked a subtle reaction between a secondary preservative and the emulsifier system under accelerated conditions. Not exactly something you find in the data, but a problem you might remember if you've ever seen it before. Lucky for them, an expert formulator from our team had faced this exact scenario in a climate chamber trial. Within 30 minutes, they recommended a stabilizing polymer fix. Crisis averted, no product recall, no delayed launch. So, what is the takeaway? Well, AI can help you move fast, but it's expert experience that helps you move right. At OnlyTRAININGS, we don't compete with AI. We combine it with decades of formulation, compliance, and scale-up know-how. Ready to blend AI technology with real-world expertise? Visit OnlyTRAININGS.com and let's get your next launch right by expert-led strategies that integrate with your current formulation processes.